I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Tacoma oil. First, gather your tools, a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Always park your Tacoma on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process, getting you ready for the next steps. Now, let's drain the old oil. Get under your Tacoma and find the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let all the old engine oil completely drain out into the pan. This step is crucial for removing contaminants and preparing for fresh lubrication. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and fresh oil. Remove the old oil filter with your wrench. Lightly coat the new filter's rubber gasket with a thin layer of new oil before screwing it on. Reinstall the drain plug securely. Now, carefully pour the recommended amount of fresh engine oil into the engine's fill port. Double-check your owner's manual for the exact oil capacity. After refilling, start your engine briefly, then turn it off and check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Look for any leaks around the drain plug and new filter. Remember, proper disposal of used oil is important for the environment. Also, for a cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Keep your Tacoma running smoothly with regular maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.